Hi everyone, my name is Chris Behrens, and welcome to my course, Working with Colors and Images in CSS. The internet is a fundamentally visual medium, and to develop content for it, we need a solid grounding in science and application. Learning how to work with text content in HTML can be simple, but it gets more challenging when you begin working with colors and images. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the science of colors and sight, different ways to express colors, different ways to apply color to your content, and how to structure your content in a professional and real-world way. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of how to apply color and images to your content with CSS, and how to future-proof your work against some problems that you might not see at the beginning. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with HTML and the internet in general. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into more advanced content like advanced HTML, advanced CSS, and managing image content. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the fundamentals and application of visual content in the Working with Colors and Images in CSS course at Pluralsight.